guys, this is Andrew Darlington. I've been thinking about this a lot and been trying to figure out a way to compare the purchase of auto insurance to the purchase of health insurance now. And I think I got a pretty good explanation that makes pretty good sense. So bear with me and let's try to walk through this and the reason why health insurance premiums are so high. So let's say you've got a guy, he comes into my office and says, "Hey, Andrew, I'd like some auto insurance." I say, "Great, we'd love to help you with that." I say, "What kind of car you got?" He says, "Well, I've got this sweet brand new car I just got. It is a 2015 Toyota Camry, something similar to this one, and need to get it insured. It's a beautiful, beautiful car." I say, "No problem. We'll definitely get that insured." I'll ask, "Okay, so what's your, how old are you?" He tells me he's 35 years old. So, "Yeah, how's your credit?" "Good credit." "Yeah, great credit. I had a 800 credit score." Good to hear." "Have you ever had any claims?" "Nope. Been a great driver all my life, no claims." "Any speeding tickets?" "Nope. Have not had a speeding ticket since I was 21, 14 years ago." "Great. Any DUIs, anything like that?" "Nope." "Ever been arrested?" "No." Cool. Okay, so we can do auto insurance, and we'll say it's $500 a year for that car. He's thrilled. Not a bad deal. So next guy comes in, and he says, "Hey, I need to get some auto insurance." Say, "Sure, we'd love to help you." "So what kind of car you got?" "Well, I got a car. It's not in the best shape in the world. It kind of looks like this." Trying to get the picture, sorry. Kind of looks a little bit like this. I say, "Well, okay. Well, we can insure that because we have to now." "How old are you?" "Well, I'm 35 years old." "Okay, that works. Have you ever had any tickets or accidents? Are you including this week or not?" "Well, yeah, we got to include this week." "Okay, I've only had 6 or 7 in the past 2 years." So, "Okay, gotcha. Any speeding tickets?" "Well, each of those accidents, I had a speeding ticket, and then I had 3 other speeding tickets, so I've got about 9. "How you have your license?" "Like driving school a lot." "Okay, he's still got a license, so that's good. Let me ask, how's your credit?" "Oh, credit's not good. I filed bankruptcy about 2 months ago. Bad situation. I ended up filing bankruptcy." "Okay, well, let's type this in and see what kind of insurance you got. Hey, for you, it's $500. And you ask, why would it be the same for 2 people, even though one of them's completely different? One of them's got a great driving record, one of them's got a terrible driving record. Well, that's what Obamacare is doing now. You got 2 folks. The only thing that makes a difference is their age. The price is going to be the same. Doesn't matter what kind of health they're in, what kind of shape their body's in, what kind of surgery they need. The guy with the nice car doesn't need anything happening. The guy with the banged up car, he's got to have a lot of work done and pretty soon. And the thing is if we did auto insurance that way, I'd have to take the car to a body shop and have it fixed tomorrow, less is deductible, and we pay it. And so we have to charge the same price. So in looking at that, you probably have to charge a little bit more for everybody if we had to charge everybody the same price, and the only thing that we could change was our age. And that's basically what you're looking at. The one difference that we can change is tobacco, but that's not a huge, big difference. It's only about 10%, maybe 15 in some situations, but that's about it. So when you look at pricing that way, it doesn't make any sense from auto insurance and doesn't make any sense from health insurance. The other thing that comes into play is ask that first guy, what kind of money you make a year? He goes, "Well, I've got a pretty good job. I'm making, I don't know, $60,000 a year." "Are you married?" "Nope, not married." "Okay, well, he doesn't qualify for any tax credits because he makes too much money." The guy with the beat up car, "You make any money?" "Well, after I got my 3rd DUI this year, I lost my job, but had a pretty good job up to this point. So I've made about $15,000 in 2016. "Hey, well, great. You're going to pay about $20 a month for health insurance. And by the way, that deductible that was going to be $1,000, it's 0 now because of your income." So we got a guy with a messed up car. We've got terrible driving record, lots of tickets and accidents, and he's going to end up paying less than the guy who has a great driving record, has done everything he's supposed to do. And that's kind of what Obamacare has done for health insurance. So I think that kind of puts it in perspective. If we had to do that for auto insurance, auto insurance rates would surely be a lot more, because if you look at that vehicle we had there, my goodness, with all the body work and everything, obviously that car would be totaled. But if we had to fix it, I mean, you can't total someone's body if they got diabetes and cancer and every other thing. We've got to try to fix them. We want to make them better. So we've got to try to make that car better. That's going to be $4,000 or $5,000, just boom, right off the bat, that we can do nothing about, to go ahead and fix that guy. So if you have any questions about health insurance, we'd love to answer them. We'd welcome your phone call. Our office number is 292-4142. And you can find us on the web at veritasrm.com. We also do home and auto and business insurance. Would love to talk to you about that if you have a need. And feel free to tell our friends. If you have any questions, give us a shout. We'd love to talk to you.